Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to make a fraction into a coefficient. Now, to be completely honest with you, a fraction is a coefficient because the definition of a coefficient is it's a number in front of any given term, or constant term in front of any given term. So if you're talking about converting a fraction into perhaps another number, like a decimal, then this is what we can do in the next few moments. But otherwise, a fraction can be thought of as a coefficient. So for example, if you want to convert 3/5 into a different number, then what you can do is use long division to go there. So the numerator 3 is on the inside, the 5 is on the outside, and we know 5 does not go into 3, so that's where the 0 times, and that's where you have to think about putting the decimal in. Now, what you want to start doing is putting zeros afterwards so you can start the division. Now 5 goes into not 3, but 5 goes into 30, and it's going to be 6 times, and 6 times 5 is going to be 30, and then a 0 remainder. So that means 3/5 can be thought of as 0.6. So if you don't want to express the fraction as a leave it in coefficient form, then you can express it in decimal coefficient form, but at the end of the day, a fraction is a coefficient. But to convert it, you just use long division, and that's how you get there. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to turn a fraction into a coefficient.